I don't even have a fucking steering in this car.
But he gave you one. It's an old one.
What the fuck? What's up, guys? Today we are going to do some stupid shit. Yeah, very stupid shit. We are going to buy a scrap car and hopefully make some profit from it. And well, I really don't know if I'm able to do some profit from this car, but well, you will see, because I don't know more than you do right now.
What's up, guys? Tyst nu, jag vloggar här. Okay, what's up, guys? We are in Anderstorp now. We've been to Gislaved and buy a YouTube car for YouTube. It's been a secret car. We'll see. You will see the car when we are done and we come back to the garage, to the workshop, and yeah, we my friend here is gonna buy some fuel, some gasoline. It's been not so much in the car, and then we go back to Jönköping and to the garage. So we'll see that.
What the fuck have I done? Nej, mer bränsle får han inte. Mr. Miyagi here. I don't even have a fucking steering in this car. So I will give him a call and he will talk to me all the way to hometown.
But he gave you one.
Yeah, he gave me one here.
It's an old one.
What the fuck?
I have. Good.
I even got an AC pump. The AC is broken as hell.
Yeah.
It's screeching and everything. I don't know what's smoking in my fucking car. It's a new Volvo V70.
Blinka med helljuset. Gött.
What have you done to me?
We have bought a Volvo V70.
Not even a freaking turbo.
It's a guilty.
Have you seen the... How are we supposed to flip a car like this? Can't even open the freaking trunk. Maybe this is a mistake.
No.
Well,
I believe it.
well, fingers crossed that we can flip this one for a profit. And well, if you want to see how it goes, press the subscribe button. Because this can be hard. Or, well, at least I think. So press the subscribe button and press the bell as well so you can see when I post a new video about this Volvo. Oh my god. What have you done?
It's been nice.
Write a comment and we will end this episode. See you guys in the next one.